Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings, then tap General and Software Update. You need to reach the automatic update screen so you can change behavior. Once there, note the two toggles: download iOS updates and install iOS updates. This matters because turning them off prevents background downloads and overnight installs that can use data or restart your device unexpectedly. Make sure you remain on Wi-Fi if you plan to update manually later. Now, flip off Download iOS updates. Doing this stops the system from downloading large files automatically. Next, flip off Install iOS updates so the phone won't schedule overnight installs or require unexpected restarts. Once done, the device will only update when you choose Software Update right arrow download and install. Make sure to consider low power mode. iOS may delay installs when battery is low, so manual checks are the reliable way to control. Finish by confirming both toggles are off and then exit Settings. You should see no automatic activity. When you want an update, open Software Update and choose Download and Install so you control timing and bandwidth. If the automatic updates controls are grayed out or revert, check for a configuration profile, mobile device management, or screen time restrictions. Remove any beta or MDM profiles if appropriate. If problems persist, restart the device and recheck the settings before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.